This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
What if you're only using half of your Audi's potential every single day and you don't even know it? What if the system you touch the most in your car is the one you understand the least, your MMI? Because here's the truth. Most Audi drivers use MMI for basic things, navigation, music, maybe a few settings, and then they stop. They think that's all it does, but it's not. MMI is not just a screen, it's the control center of your entire car. It controls how your Audi reacts, how it feels, how it responds to your inputs. And hidden inside it are features that can completely change your driving experience. Let's start with something that looks simple, but is extremely powerful. Drive Select. Most drivers know it exists. They've seen Comfort, Auto, Dynamic, but they don't really understand what it does. They think it's just a driving mood. It's not. Drive Select changes how your car behaves at a fundamental level. When you switch from Comfort to Dynamic, you're not just changing the feeling, you are changing throttle response, gear shifting timing, engine behavior, steering feedback. In Comfort, everything is softened. The throttle reacts slower. The gearbox shifts earlier. The car feels smooth, but also slightly delayed. In Dynamic, everything becomes sharper. The throttle reacts immediately. The gearbox holds gears longer. The car feels more aggressive. Same car, completely different behavior. And this is where most drivers make a mistake. They leave it in Auto. Auto tries to balance everything. But balance is not performance. Balance is compromise. And that means you're never getting the best version of your car. Now here's where things become really interesting. Individual mode. This is where MMI becomes powerful. Because instead of choosing a preset, you create your own configuration, and this is something almost nobody uses. Inside individual mode, you can adjust engine response, transmission behavior, steering, suspension. And this allows you to build the perfect setup. For example, you can set engine to dynamic, transmission to dynamic, steering to comfort. This combination gives you fast acceleration, quick gear shifts, comfortable steering, which means performance without sacrificing daily usability. Now let's go deeper, because this is where most drivers have no idea what they're missing. You've already seen how MMI controls the core behavior of your Audi, but there are hidden features, small details, that can completely change your experience, and most people never find them. Let's start with something simple. Shortcuts. Your MMI system allows you to access key functions faster, but instead of navigating through menus every time, you can optimize your workflow. For example, switching driving modes. Instead of going through multiple screens, you can assign quicker access paths. This saves time, but more importantly, it changes how often you use the system. Because when something is easier to access, you use it more. Now let's talk about display configuration. Your digital cockpit is customizable, but most drivers leave it in default mode. That's a mistake, because you can choose what matters. Navigation focus, performance data, minimal distraction view. And this has a direct impact on how you drive, because the information you see influences your decisions. Now here's something very powerful. Sound and feedback settings. Many drivers don't realize that the way your car feels is also influenced by what you hear. Engine sound profiles, system feedback, subtle audio cues. These create perception, and perception changes experience. Now let's go to another hidden area. Driver assistance integration. Your MMI system connects with adaptive cruise control, lane assist, traffic systems. And when configured correctly, these systems make driving smoother and less stressful. But here's the problem. Most drivers either ignore them or use them incorrectly. So instead of helping, they become annoying. Now here's a small but powerful trick. Turn off what you don't need. Keep what actually helps. This simplifies the driving experience, and simplicity improves control. Now let's talk about connectivity. Your Audi is not just a car, it's a connected system. Phone integration, apps, media control. And when optimized, this reduces distractions. Everything becomes faster, more intuitive. Now here's the key insight. MMI is not just about features, it's about control. Control of how your car behaves, control of how you interact with it, control of your entire driving experience. And when you combine everything, correct driving mode, custom individual setup, optimized display, smart shortcuts, your Audi transforms, not because it has more power, but because it delivers everything better. Now let's talk about real results. When you use MMI correctly, you can experience up to plus 20% better driving feel, faster response perception, more control, less distraction. Same car, different experience. And this is where most drivers get surprised, because they think they need upgrades, but they don't. They just need to use what they already have. Before we finish, remember this. If you want more hidden tricks, real performance tips, and ways to get the most out of your Audi without wasting money, subscribe now. Because once you understand MMI, you don't just drive your Audi, you control it. And that changes everything. Now let's go deeper, because this is where most Audi drivers have no idea what they're missing. You've already seen how MMI controls the core behavior of your car. But the real difference comes from the details, small adjustments, hidden settings, things that don't look important but completely change how your Audi feels. Let's start with something simple, reaction time. Most drivers think their car is slow, but in reality, it's delayed. And that delay comes from how the system interprets your input. When you press the accelerator, your Audi doesn't just react instantly, it processes the signal. And depending on your settings, that reaction can be soft or aggressive. In Comfort or Auto, the response is filtered. The system smooths your input. That makes the car feel slower. Now switch to a more aggressive configuration. Suddenly, the throttle reacts faster, the engine responds quicker, the car feels more alive. Same power, different delivery. Now let's go to another hidden factor, gearbox behavior. This is one of the biggest differences between modes. In relaxed modes, the gearbox shifts early. This keeps RPM low, it improves comfort, but reduces responsiveness. In more aggressive settings, the gearbox holds gears longer. That means higher RPM, more immediate power, faster acceleration feel. And this is where the pleasant 20% feel comes from. Not real horsepower, but access to power. Now here's something most drivers ignore, steering feedback. At first, it doesn't seem important, but it changes how connected you feel to the car. In softer modes, steering is light, feedback is reduced. In dynamic, steering becomes heavier, more precise, more direct. And when the steering is more direct, your brain perceives the car as faster, because you feel more in control. Now let's go deeper into personalization. Your Audi allows you to create a driving profile that matches exactly how you want the car to behave. But here's the mistake. Most drivers choose extremes, full comfort or full dynamic, but the real magic is in balance. For example, engine dynamic, transmission dynamic, steering comfort. This setup gives you fast response, quick gear shifts, relaxed steering, which makes the car perfect for daily use, but still aggressive when needed. Now let's talk about another hidden detail, driver focus. Your MMI display influences how you drive. If your screen is full of unnecessary information, you get distracted. If it's clean and optimized, your reactions improve. So simplifying your display reduces cognitive load, improves reaction time, makes driving smoother, and smoother driving always feels faster. Now here's something most drivers never realize. Sound, engine sound, system feedback, even subtle audio cues. These affect perception. A more engaging sound makes the car feel more powerful, even if nothing mechanical changes. And this is not fake, it's psychological. Now let's connect everything. Throttle response, gearbox behavior, steering feel, visual feedback, sound perception, all controlled through MMI. When these elements are aligned, your Audi transforms, not into a different car, but into the car it was always meant to be. Now let's talk about real results. When you apply everything correctly, you can realistically feel up to pleasant 20% better responsiveness, faster reaction time, more engaging driving experience, and most importantly, you feel in control, and that changes everything. Because driving is not just about speed, it's about how the car responds to you. If you want more hidden Audi tricks and real performance improvements, subscribe now. Because once you understand how to use MMI properly, you stop driving your Audi like everyone else, and you start driving it the way it was designed to be driven.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter. Spend less. Unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.